DJs uploading mixes to YouTube trying to get monetized. Let me ask you something. How many times have you uploaded a mix, waited for copyright checks, just to find out that one song killed your whole monetization? Video DJ Dre recently made a video about getting paid for your DJ mixes, and it sparked a huge conversation. But the biggest problem still remains. How do you know which songs actually allow revenue sharing? That's exactly why I created this new tool, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it to find monetizable songs, check the database before uploading a mix, and even contribute to it so that way that the list keeps growing. If this is your first time here, I'm DJ Fox. I've been DJing for over 25 years, retired Air Force veteran, and now I DJ full time. And here on this channel, I make content about the business side of DJing so that way you can run your DJ business like a professional. All right, so a lot of you probably already saw this video right here by DJ Dre. And in this video, he found videos that have revenue sharing. The problem is that you don't know what songs have revenue sharing until you actually upload a mix and go through the copyright. And as you can see, this post has gotten a lot of traction. It has a lot of conversation. So I went through here, went through all the comments, and I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tool so that way we can find out what songs get actually revenue sharing. But first, what you need to do is if you have uploaded a song to YouTube, you want to go to your YouTube studio. Then you want to go to the mix that has already been uploaded. And then you want to go right here where it says copyright restrictions right here. See details. You can get to it right here, or you can get to it onto the side over here on the left hand. Once you go to the copyright, then it's going to have this page here that's going to show you all the songs that was either copyrighted or blocked or whatever the case may be. What we're looking for songs like this right here. So Gangster's Paradise, and you see right here where it says eligible for revenue sharing. This is what we want to look for. So depending on how long your mix is, your mix have one song, maybe have 2 songs, 3 songs. It really doesn't matter, but what you want to do is you want to go through here and identify these songs that says eligible for revenue sharing. What this means is if you have a song that is eligible for revenue sharing, we are going to share that revenue from ads with the person who the song belongs to. So it's going to be a split. So what that means is if you upload a song and it is eligible for revenue sharing or a group of songs, whatever money that gets from AdSense, that is how YouTube pays you for ads on your video, that revenue is going to be split between us, the creator, and the actual owner of the song. But the thing is, the reason why we never seen this before is because it doesn't matter if you have 1 or 2 songs that are revenue sharing. You're never going to get revenue is because of all these other songs that's included in the mix. All it takes is one song that says cannot be monetized for this whole mix to be dead. So what we want to do is we want to create a database of all songs that is eligible for revenue sharing. And then so that way we can have a database as DJs to pick from to make mixes. So that way the entire mix is revenue shared with the creator or the owner of the actual song. So the way you do that is, like I said, you want to go to your YouTube studio, and all you want to do is you want to screenshot the actual page that has the revenue sharing on it. So you can either screenshot the whole page or you can screenshot just the song that you need. But really what is important is just this song right here that says revenue sharing. Once you screenshot that, then you want to come over to MixVerify. This is the database that I created, and I'm going to put the link to access this tool down in the description. Once you get here to the database, you'll be able to look at all the songs that have been verified, and this right here is a mix of songs that are revenue shared, blocked, or claimed. What we want to focus on is the songs that are good to go. This right here are all the songs that are in a database, and this is what we need help on and growing this. So whenever you get here, all you want to do is you want to upload that screenshot right here. First, you're going to make sure you're signed in, and then once you sign in, you're going to drop your screenshots here. Go here, go to your screenshots, and then from there, you're going to upload the screenshot here, upload, scan, and then what this is going to do, it's going to read your screenshot, and then it's going to add the song to the actual database. So now, once you submit all the songs, now whenever you go to good to go, those songs will now be added to the database. That's how that works. And I want to be completely transparent and show you what to expect and how much money that you can get off of ads. So this video right here, this is one of my highest performing videos. I uploaded it on August 24th, 2025. Since then, it has gotten 32,000 views. I've gotten $402 from ads revenue. If you go here to AdSense, it kind of shows the breakdown. And this right here is what's important, because this RPM is, it gives you how much you're going to get paid for 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views, I'm going to get $12.34. All right. So this is all off of ads. Whenever you go into the video, you go here to ad revenue, and you can see how everything is broke down, where this $402 is coming from. Skippable ads, non-skippable ads, bumper ads, display ads, and all that. But I just want to show you this so that way you know what to expect as far as views wise goes. AdSense, really, AdSense isn't where you make your money on your videos, but it is something whenever you are creating content on YouTube for videos. Yes, AdSense is a way that you can get paid just by organic people looking at your video, but inside your video, you should have like a message or a product or somewhere where people can book you, so that way you can capitalize off of these views secondarily. And what this allows us to do as DJs, it allows us to create a database of all songs that are revenue shared. So that way, whenever you create a song or a mix on YouTube, or even use the song for B-roll or certain edits, now that song will be monetized. But the caveat, you're going to have to share that revenue with the actual owner of the song. If you run into any issues with uploading or whatever the case may be, just click here and you can DM me. I think this is a huge step for us as DJs to building a database of safe songs for YouTube, so that way we can monetize our mixes. I'm also going to put a link to his video on the screen as well. And also too, I'm going to put a link to another video here that YouTube thinks that is good for you. And if you like this content and the way that I'm breaking things down, check out my DJ courses and masterclasses in the description below.